This video is dedicated to the two objects in Veliko Tarnovo city, so let's begin with the first one, Cathedral of the Nativity of the Virgin. Initially, here was another temple. It was built up in 1840 to 1844. But to regret, in April of 1913 in Veliko Tarnovo there was a very strong earthquake and the previous church was absolutely destroyed. And this is why on the ruins of the previous one, in the 1933-1932, there was erected the current building of Cathedral. And the new church became the center of a small square on the old part of Veliko Tarnovo. Inside of the temple, in 1944, the well-known Bulgarian painters, I don't know them, Kudenov, Kolzhuharov, Safarov, they did a lot of arts on the walls, but frankly speaking, very nice, very picturesque. Monument Mother Bulgaria is a monument erected in honor of the soldiers who died in 4 wars. The Russian-Turkish in 1877-1878, the Serbo-Bulgarian in 1885, the First Balkan War 1912-1913, and the First World War in 1914-1918. The monument was opened on May 7, 1935, in the center of Veliko Tarnovo. The author is the sculptor Sviatoslav Yotsov. Usually there should be some eternal flame, but as I see it doesn't work due to some reasons, I don't know why. And this monument, how this monument looks like at the evening time.